everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica, and today I thought I would do a Christmas get ready with me holiday glam video because it's the season and it's time. I love dressing up for the holidays and I love doing lots of sparkles, so this is the look I came up with. This is a lot more wearable and it's still colorful and holiday themes. Yeah, if you want to see how I got this look ready, just keep watching. Okay guys, I'm starting off using the Urban Decay Shadow Primer Potion on my eyes. I know the palette I'm going to use is going to have a lot of fallout, so I'm going to do my eyes first, and then I'll go and do my face. So just priming my eyes over here. And I will be using the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette for the look today. I am using the shade Saffron first, which is a reddish shade. Now note this palette does have quite a bit of fallout, but the reds are very nicely pigmented. So it's perfect for the look I'm going for. I'm just taking that shade Saffron, spreading it out across the upper part of my eyelid and spreading it out. And the key here is to make sure you're just blending this color out. We want it to be smooth, nicely pigmented, not patchy. So you're going to keep blending until you have nice, even pigmentation across your eye. And we're still blending. Take your time, guys. No need to rush, okay? Unless you are trying to get somewhere. Next, on a more concentrated brush, I am taking the color Oud, O-U-D, which is a reddish brown shade, more on the brown side. And I'm just going to put that across the crease line of my eye and a little bit on the edge there. Kind of like a mini V, but not entirely a V. And I'm just going to spread it out across the eye. And then taking a clean brush, I'm going to blend that out. Now this is a very pigmented brown shade, so I want to be careful with how I'm applying it and careful with how I'm blending it because it can get messy very fast. So I'm doing it in circular motions slowly and trying to get it to look nice and blended. I'm going to do the same thing with my other eye. Just spreading it out across the crease line and then blending it out with that same brush. And again, guys, take your time. If you're going to a party or a holiday thing, you want to look nice. So it's all about the blend, having a nice, even blend. Take your time blending, give yourself enough time to do it, and it will make all the difference in your eyeshadow look. Okay, next I am taking my concealer. I'm using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C12, and I'm just going to cut the crease here. As I mentioned, the shadow I'm using is going to have a lot of fallout, so this is just going to help keep things under control for a little bit longer. It's going to help you out. So I'm just going to spread it out across the eyelid there and make sure you get an even line, even around that crease. Okay, now taking a different brush, I will be adding the color Nefertiti to my eye. This color is a gold sparkle. It's perfect for holiday themes. So I'm using a small brush and I'm just blending it out across my crease there. Now I am going to use my finger as well. I noticed with the Huda Beauty eyeshadow shades, the pigmentation is so much greater when you use your finger. Do you see that difference? However, the payback for this is that there's going to be a lot more fallout. Now you can see it on my eyelash and on my face, but that's okay. We're going to go ahead and do the same thing with the other eye. Concealer first, smoothing it out, and then going in with the shade Nefertiti. I went ahead and cleaned up that fallout, everything under my eye, everything on my eyelashes, and what can you do? Okay guys, now I'm going to go in with the NYX Epic Ink Eyeliner. I'm just going to go ahead and draw a line across my eyes. I don't know if I want to create a wing yet, so now that I look at it, I think I want to wing it out. Okay, I've finished my wings. I really like how it came out with wings. It looks pretty good. All right. Next, I'm going to go ahead and do my brows using the Colourpop brow pencil in Taken for Granite. And there we go. Brows are done. They look good. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my face. I'm going to use the Farsali Skin Tune Blur as my primer today. I've heard so much about this stuff and I've been dying to try it out. So we'll see how it does on top of scarring and texture. So I'm just going to blend that out across my face. Okay guys, I have primed my skin. Next I'm going to use the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the shade Medium Dark 2 Caramel. I love this stuff. This is so good for concealing acne and scarring. This just blends right into your skin. Oh snap. I'm thinking this is the wrong shade. Have I gotten lighter? Was I tanner back then? Okay, if you're gonna conceal acne with a concealer, you need to have the concealer be the exact same shade as your skin. Okay, so if this ain't the exact same shade, then I'm kind of in trouble. Okay, so I'm trying to go for a natural finish, something between medium and full coverage. So I won't be applying too much concealer to my face, but if you want to completely cover up your acne or scarring, feel free to use more concealer. Though I will say your scarring will be pretty well controlled even with this amount of coverage using this concealer. Okay guys, my apologies, my camera was not recording when I applied my foundation, so I'm going to show you my second layer of foundation. So here's my second layer going on. I'm using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation in the shade Y375, and I'm just going to dot that across my face and blend it out with a brush. Now this foundation is very nice. It can be medium coverage, and I'm just going to build it up a little more, somewhere between medium to full, but it just gives a very nice skin-like finish. So blending it out with a brush here. And don't forget your neck, guys. Otherwise, in all your holiday photos, your neck is not going to match your face and you're going to look weird. Alright, now that that's over with, I'm going to go ahead and do my concealer under my eyes. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer in the shade Sand. I love this concealer. It's very full coverage. And watch my under eyes transform. I'm going to finish blending it out with my finger too. Next, I will be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in the shade Earth to contour my cheeks here. So yeah, I'm just going to draw along the contour lines. And I'm blending it out using a thicker brush here. And I'm just going to contour along the line so I'm not completely dissipating the line. And I'll do the same thing to my other cheek. I'm also going to add a little bit of that stick to my jawline and chin, just to slim down my face a little, because, you know, we always need a little help. I'm going to set the contour using the Benefit Hoola Matte Bronzer. Most people do not set their contour using bronzer, but I like to because it emphasizes the contour a lot more on me. Also, the bronzer is basically my skin color, so I use it as a setting powder. Next, I'm using the Nude Sticks stick in the shade Kiss, and I'll be using this as my blush today. I like using cream blushes. They help to minimize texture, and I'm just gonna Pikachu face here, but after that, I'm just gonna blend it out with my finger, and then I'm going to pat it down with a brush just to make sure things look even. Okay, moving on to highlighter, I am using the Colourpop Crush on You palette. Now, there's a highlighter in there called Drop a Pin. It's a gold highlight. I love this highlight so much. It's perfect for my skin tone. I'm just going to blend it out here along the cheek. And I like it, so I'm actually just going to put a little bit above the brow bones and a little bit along my nose. Okay, moving back to the eyes, I'm going to take that same shade I used earlier, Saffron, and apply it under my eyes. Blend it out till it's even on both eyes and just make sure it looks nice there. I'm going to take the NYX eyeliner in the shade brown, dark brown, perhaps? Yeah. I'll leave all the products' names down below, don't forget. But anyway, I'm taking this brown eyeliner. I'm just going to draw in along the lash line a brown line. This is going to go great with that oud color we used above the eye. It's just going to match perfectly and look really nice and help the eye look put together. And now I'm bringing you in super duper close so I can show you how I use the Urban Decay 24/7 eyeliner pencil in the shade Space Dust. Now this is some color between gold and silver, very nice. And I'm putting it in the waterline and along the inner corner just a little bit. And it's very pigmented. This is going to tie in the look very well. Alright, moving on to mascara here. I've got 3 things. First, we're starting off with the L'Oreal Lash Primer. I always use lash primer on my lashes before applying mascara. Next, I'll be applying the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. I'm going to use this to separate and define my lashes. This is just going to help keep them apart and give them a little extra help here. After I've applied this mascara, I'm actually going to go in with the second mascara, the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. Now, I love this mascara. It's going to volumize your lashes, thicken them out, make you look like you have more. And combined with the Roller Lash Mascara, it's just going to make your lashes look like you're wearing falsies. You can use any mascara before this one, just something that's going to define and separate your lashes. Because I find if you use just Lash Princess, your lashes kind of clump together and you can't really, it looks like you'll have 5 eyelashes by the end of it. But using 2 is usually a good trick. I don't feel like wearing falsies today, so I might just stick with this because it looks nice. Okay, going back to that Roller Lash Mascara, I'm just going to apply it on the lower lashes as well. It's just going to make my eyes pop. Since I already have a colorful look, nothing wrong with a little extra pop. Looking good so far. And for the lip, I am applying the Sephora Liquid Lipstick in the shade Always Red. Sorry again, my camera stopped filming when I first applied it, so you're watching the second coat of lipstick on here. But it's a very nice true red color, and it's just, oh, so holiday. Love it. So this is how that looks on the lip. I'm just going to be defining it and filling in any of it that looks a little patchy, but it applied really well and it looks really good. Alright, I'm finishing off using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. This is going to help your makeup last. And note, I did not use any powder this look. Normally, I do not set my face with powder. I don't set my under eyes with powder because I have dry under eyes and baking just makes them look dry. I usually just set my smile lines. I didn't even do that today because I noticed with this foundation I don't have a creasing issue. So yeah, we're good here, ready to go. If you need to set your face though, if you have a little oilier skin that I do right now, go ahead and set your face. I'm just undoing my hair here. I had a few buns in place to get some nice volume. And here we go. And okay guys, this is the final look. I really love how it turned out. I think it's so pretty. And there's something so attractive about a red lip, let me tell you. So this is the final look. I really like how it turned out. It looks really nice. Let me know if you enjoyed that video, if you want to see more Get Ready With Me videos. Let me know your thoughts, if you will recreate this look. And yeah, I hope you liked the video. Leave me a like, leave me some comments, what you thought. And subscribe to my channel. I'd love to see you come back. Alright then, till next time.